Hi guys, Gigi here. In today's DIY video, I'm going to show you how to make this blanket scarf. I just got these new earrings. I love it because it's cute and trendy. Don't forget girls, accessories can make or break any outfit. So, accessorize! And don't worry, I'll put the links below. Now, we have already been to the shop and this is the material we found. As you can see, the design is on both sides and it's woven. It's very important, as you'll see later. The first time I did this, I was so scared of breaking the thread. But in the name of fashion, I continued until I found the secret, which for me is holding the thread firmly in one hand, pulling smoothly and consistently. Now, just relax, be patient, and before you know it, you will have your own DIY blanket scarf. To stop it from fraying anymore, I knotted every corner of it. So this is the first, second, third, and the last one. For more security, I'm going to run glue along the edges, just right here. Can you see it? Yeah, and in here as well. So here it is, our new blanket scarf. I hope yours looks like this. And now I'm gonna show you a quick and simple way to wear your blanket scarf. This is the most common way I see people styling and definitely works best with a square blanket scarf. Okay, what we are going to do is fold the scarf across to create a triangle shape. Grab the two ends of the triangle with each hand. Then, cross the two ends behind your neck. Pull them around to the front and tuck the two ends under the rest of the scarf or leave them dangling to each side. That's it! Congratulations on your new DIY blanket scarf. On our next video, we are going to show you more amazing ways to wear and style your blanket scarf. Hi guys! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell